Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless possibilities of using AI? I remember when I first discovered ChatGPT, it felt like I had a superpower at my fingertips. But how do you harness that power effectively? Today, I'm going to share 10 amazing hacks that will help you use ChatGPT to its full potential. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. You can use it for everything from drafting emails to brainstorming ideas. However, it's important to understand its limitations. It can't access real-time data and may sometimes produce biased or inaccurate responses. But don't worry, with these hacks, you'll be able to maximize its capabilities. 10 plugins. Hack ChatGPT to use its full potential. 1. Using the Web ChatGPT plugin to connect ChatGPT to Google. First up is the Web ChatGPT plugin. This powerful tool connects ChatGPT directly to Google, allowing it to pull in real-time information. Imagine asking for the latest news and technology or current trends in your industry and getting accurate, up-to-date insights instantly. This hack transforms ChatGPT from a static knowledge base into a dynamic research assistant, making it invaluable for staying informed. 2. Using the Playlist AI plugin to create Spotify playlists. Next, let's explore the Playlist AI plugin. If you're ever stuck trying to find the perfect music for studying or working out, this plugin can create personalized Spotify playlists based on your mood or activity. Just tell ChatGPT what vibe you're going for, like focus music or upbeat workout tracks, and it'll curate a playlist that fits your needs perfectly. It's like having your own DJ. 3. Using the ChatSonic extension to write emails and social media posts. The ChatSonic extension is a fantastic tool for anyone needing help with communication. Whether you're crafting a professional email or an engaging social media post, just provide some context, and ChatGPT will generate polished text that captures your voice. This not only saves time, but also ensures your messages are clear and impactful, perfect for busy professionals. 4. Using the Workout Generator plugin to create personalized workout plans. For fitness enthusiasts, the World Cup Generator plugin is a game changer. It creates personalized workout plans tailored to your fitness level and preferences. Simply input your goals, like building muscle or improving endurance, and let ChatGPT design a program that keeps you motivated and on track. This hack takes the guesswork out of fitness planning. 5. Using the Botrish extension to customize the appearance of ChatGPT. Want a more personalized experience? The Botrish extension allows you to customize how ChatGPT looks. Change themes or layouts to make your interaction more enjoyable and tailored to your style. A visually appealing interface can enhance your overall experience, making learning and productivity feel more engaging. 6. Using the ChatGPT summary extension to summarize text content. Overwhelmed by lengthy articles or reports, the ChatGPT summary extension can condense any text into bite-sized summaries. Just paste in the content and it will highlight key points, perfect for quickly grasping essential information without getting lost in details. This hack is invaluable for students and professionals alike who need to digest large amounts of information efficiently. 7. Using the Meme Creator plugin to create memes. Looking for a laugh? The Meme Creator plugin lets you generate memes based on current trends or your own ideas. Just provide some context or themes and watch as ChatGPT whips up funny memes that you can share with friends or on social media. It's a fun way to express creativity while enjoying some lighthearted humor. 8. Using the Show Me Diagrams plugin to create diagrams. Need visual aids for your projects? The Show Me Diagrams plugin allows you to create diagrams effortlessly. Whether it's flowcharts or mind maps, just describe what you need and let ChatGPT bring your ideas to life visually. This is especially helpful for students or professionals who thrive on visual learning. 9. Using the Diagram plugin to create charts. Similarly, with the Diagram plugin, you can create various types of charts, perfect for presentations or reports. Simply input your data and let ChatGPT generate clear and informative charts that enhance your visual storytelling. This hack makes data presentation much more effective and engaging. 10. using the Talk to ChatGPT extension to have a voice conversation with ChatGPT. Finally, if you prefer speaking over typing, try the Talk to ChatGPT extension. This feature allows you to have voice conversations with ChatGPT, ideal for multitasking or when you're on the go. Just talk naturally and get instant responses as if you're having a conversation with a friend. In conclusion, these 10 hacks demonstrate how versatile and powerful ChatGPT can be when used effectively. From enhancing productivity with real-time information access to creating personalized playlists and workout plans, there's so much potential at your fingertips. While it does have limitations, such as not accessing real-time data directly, it remains an invaluable tool for improving creativity and learning. Are you ready to supercharge your experience with ChatGPT? If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more insights. Share in the comments which hack you're most excited to try out next. Let's harness AI together and make learning easier than ever.